Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can animate text in Capcut apps. So first you can open the Capcut apps after you download it. So after open it, you can click a new project to make a new project, or you can open the project that's created. But I'm going to select new project to make a new project. So just select videos or photos that you like to edit. For example, just click add. So I'm going to add the text. Just click text button and then select add text. Just type for the text. For example, alright, so how to animate text? You can select animation at the bottom. Just click animation. So here's the option. So you can select in, out, or loop animation, and just click on the animation that you like. For example, I'm going to select the chromatic, and you can change for the duration of the animation, and after that just click check mark. So your text will be more interesting, like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.